Hi there, my name is Kate, and I am so thankful WorkPro sent me their large heavy-duty garden cart. This is the 2-in-1 convertible utility wagon. It has removable sides, and it can tow up to 770 pounds in it, so it's pretty impressive. The box wasn't too heavy. I was able to drag it in from outside. It came in one big box, and every piece was really nicely wrapped so that nothing came damaged. I will admit, I really don't love looking at instructions. I always feel like it's intuitive and I can just do it myself without really looking. I would advise you to not do that because I'll show you a couple of hiccups that I ran into so that you can avoid those. First things first, I will tell you, I thought that maybe my pieces weren't the correct ones because some of the nuts were very tight. Like I could hardly hand tighten them. And my husband explained to me that that just means that they're really designed to be put on with the tool so that they stay secured and you don't have to worry about them loosening up as you use the cart. Just like anything else, good things come to those who wait. So having to slow down and just make sure that I was getting everything in the right place and using the right tools was a challenge for me, but I'm really glad that I conquered it. So putting these little clips on, make sure you look at the picture. They slide right in to hold the wheels on. No lug nuts or any other tools are needed, which was nice. A nice little bit of a break from tightening up everything else on this cart. So here I'm putting the handle together and you'll see I accidentally put one of the screws in the wrong place. So in a second here, I have to undo my work and do it over again. So again, double check those directions before you get started so that you don't accidentally mix up a bolt or a nut or washer and put it in the wrong place. So I've got all 4 tires on. These are really nice all-terrain tires, and I can tell I'm going to have no trouble in the yard. I will tell you one thing I've noticed about the cart is that it does not have a brake on it. Now, my husband says that we might be able to troubleshoot this and come up with a creative solution, but it's just something to be mindful of, not a deal breaker. But if you set this like on a hard surface, like your driveway, it will roll because it does move so easily. So make sure that you're either putting something under the wheel or setting it on a surface where it has some traction and is not going to roll downhill. So here you can see it's a flatbed. Seriously, I would have loved this cart even if it didn't have the sides on it because it would be great for hauling stuff around in the yard. But I'm putting the handle together, and after I get the handle on, you'll see that I go to put the sides on and I clip 2 of them on and then realize that I have one turned around backwards. So I flipped it around and then it became really obvious how the other pieces need to be attached. This is nice because they just have those little pins, the same ones that you used to install the wheels. Here I am going like, my brain is broken. Why is this not working? Well, and all I really needed to do was flip them around, and then it became very intuitive about how the sides latch up and down and how easy it is to flip them up and down depending on what you are using this cart for. Don't forget, you can use it for up to 770 pounds. This utility wagon is so versatile, and I am really looking forward to actually getting out in my yard and putting it to use because I have so much spring yard work ahead of me. So if you are looking for a heavy-duty utility cart that you can use, even tow behind your ride-on mower or tractor, this is a great option, and I hope that you will check it out. Follow along to see me using it out in the yard.